Hey everyone, welcome to VCELINK channel. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the best tool you can get to quickly and easily terminate your cables. This all-in-one crimper is ideal for stripping, cutting, and crimping RJ45, RJ11, and RJ12 modular plugs. It's basically your one-stop solution for all your telephone and network termination needs. Usually you would have to buy multiple tools, but with this, you only need one, hence the name all-in-one. Our tool has two crimper cavities, one for the RJ45 and the other is for the RJ11 and RJ12. It is also equipped with cutters to cut your wires and simultaneously acts as a stripper for your cables. The product is made to be a versatile and convenient tool for beginners, DIY users, and technicians. Next, I will show you how to terminate an RJ45 connector with this all-in-one crimper. These are all the materials we'll be using for this video. We have the Cat6 unshielded Ethernet cable, the two-piece non-pass-through RJ45 connector, and the all-in-one crimper. All the products is available on our website. Just click the link down in the description below. First, we're going to be stripping off the cable approximately 1.5 to 2 inches. Keep the cable jacket that you previously stripped off because we're going to be using it later. Next, we should prepare the cable for termination. Start by cutting the ripcord and spline off the cable. After that, use the cable jacket that we saved earlier to untwist the paired wires. Untwist the wires one by one and straighten them up. Using the same cable jacket, you'll want to straighten out the wires as straight as possible. The reason why we are using the cable jacket is to not injure your fingers, because they're a bit tough to handle. Now it's time to arrange the wires. There are two wiring diagrams, the T568A and T568B. The only difference between T568A and T568B is the change of green and orange color sequence. T568B wiring diagram is usually preferred by most people. Today we're going to be doing the T568B diagram. The order of sequence is white-orange, orange, white-green, blue, white-blue, green, white-brown, brown. Now, let's cut the access wires evenly to make sure they can go into the load bar easier. Insert the wires into the load bar. Be sure to recheck if the conductors are all in the right sequence. Now you want to insert the load bar as deep as possible. After that, you want to measure it with your plug to know how much wires you need to cut off. Now cut the access wire. After that, get your plug and insert the load bar into the RJ45 connector. The load bar helps you better install the RJ45 plug. The RJ45 connector is available in our website. You can check the link of the website in the description below. Finally, we're going to crimp the non-pass-through connector. Make sure that it is crimped as tight as possible to avoid loose ends. Now insert the connector into the RJ45 cavity. Crimp it as tight as you can and you're done. That's all for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more of our content. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.